Good evening, Sir Pascual. This is Annex 2, Regulation 9. Issue or endorsement of certificate. An international pollution prevention certificate for the carriage of noxious liquid substance in bulk shall be issued. After an initial or renewal survey in accordance with the provisions of Regulation 8 to an external site of this annex, to any ship intended to carry noxious liquid substance in bulk and which is engaged in voyage to ports or terminals under the jurisdiction of the other parties to the convention. Such certificate shall be issued or endorsed either by the administration or by any person or organization duly authorized by it. In every case, the administration assumes full responsibility for the certificate. And the government party of the convention may, at the request of the administration, cause a ship to be surveyed and it satisfied the provisions of Annex are complied with, shall issue or authorize the issue of an internal pollution prevention certificate for the carriage of noxious liquid substance in bulk to the ship, and where appropriate endorse or authorize the endorsement of the certificate on ship in accordance with this annex. That's all, sir. Thank you.